using Katie Blaze. So today we are going to be making a project from our school. My teacher said we are going to be making a random animal, and I chose a fox, and Katie wants to make a fox. I'm able to find a YouTube video from Kate Duchess in YouTube that I'm going to be making. Okay guys, we're going to be seeing if this is going to be a success or not. So let's get started. Katie, work on your buttons. Help! I can't do it. Nice. Help me. Why is that one thing? Come on. There's so many things. Oh. Right, and I cut this in half. I need a bigger one. Is it your glue? No, it's not mixed up. I'm going to cut it with this.
Butter from Katie. Katie, can I borrow the knife?
No, he used this one. Oh, what am I even going to do? Can I borrow a knife? No, I'm still making the feed. Can I get a knife? Can I get a knife, please?
You need what?
A knife because he won't let me borrow.
What are you making? What's that?
I think
It's a person. Okay.
Oh.
No! Be careful. It's a real knife, okay? Here we go. Oh, this is perfect.
Okay.
Oh, white. Where's white? I need white. Can I borrow the white? Yeah. I'll just gonna make it big so we can have one. Can I?
Okay. Can I have the knife, case?
Yeah, I'll tell you when I need it again.
Okay. Wow! What's that, Katie?
Thank you. What's that, Lisa? I think I need it too big.
What's that?
The nose.
The nose. I think that's too big.
Yeah, I already told it. Oh, that's too small. It's quite hard. Why do you need to go fast? I can just arm it myself.
There.
Where's the circle thingy?
Is that for the nose or for the eyes?
Both.
Nose. Okay.
Can you give me some color? I'm trying to make this. Thank you.
Looks cute, Casey.
Big ears.
Pointy ears, that's better.
I'm making cake. Yeah. I find the difference. Pointy. Better. Better?
Yes.
Wow, so cute, guys. Is that a cake?
Yeah.
Wow, good job, Katie.
And I'm going to build another.
You're gonna build another one. Oh, okay. Okay, show it. So cute.
The figure. Shoe. Can I take the black? Yeah. Yeah, you can borrow the black. Well, I'm gonna need it later. Okay. How did you make that?
Guys, please comment down below what you think this is.
Comment Cookie
Really, I do not know what this is.
Comment Cookie Monster.
I'm actually thinking I want marshmallows because of the two
Make big teeth. Huh? Make big teeth for this guy. Time to look at the body. It's harder. Yeah. It's harder, Mom.
You can do it.
No, I can't. I need to know.
You can do it. Trust me.
It's harder for the body.
Yeah, but I know you can do it, Casey.
Oh, it's hard. Even I just look at the picture, it's still hard.
Katie's buzz.
Okay, we need to make it smaller. We need to make the other eye smaller.
This is Katie's buzz.
Alright guys, I'm doing the body. It's quite hard. Yeah. True. It's real hard guys. Try this, it's really hard. He just made a big one. I'm gonna make a cute stand for my fox. Out of red.
Casey, how was your fox?
Horrible. Hey, I'm a magic trick.
Katie, what is that?
What am I gonna put it here? See? Kia, right, white. So guys, I think that's all it is for today. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like, and share.